The website you are seeing right now was created using Google Antigravity, and in this video I'll show you exactly how you can do the same. But hold on, I know that just like me, you care about only three things: the idea, the product, and editability. That's why I want to make this video complicated by showing every hidden feature of the tool. Instead, I will create the prompt with you, paste it into Antigravity, let it build the website, and then I'll show you how to edit anything of the site, even using simple screenshots. So destroy the subscribe button, it will just added a new destroying animation to it. Check it out and let's get started. So first of all, let's search for Google's Antigravity. Let's click over it, and from here I'm going to download for Windows. If you want to download for Mac or Linux, then you can do that too. Now double click this and accept the agreement. Next, then choose the direction where you want to install Antigravity. Then press over this next, select these icons, next, and install. So it's installed. Now let's launch it and click over this finish. Now click over next, click over start fresh. Next, I like light mode and I will choose light. Next, and here you can choose the recommended option. It's review driven development, and there is agent driven development as well. This will be faster, and here is the secure mode and custom configuration as well. I recommend you to choose the recommended one. And from here, to make things simple, let's just click over this always proceed, review policy, always proceed, and let's proceed. We can change these settings later, but for now I just want to keep all the things simple, so I click over this always proceed, and let's click over next, and you can sign in with Google. I'm selecting one of my account and click over open Antigravity. You can click over this yes, or if you don't want, then no need to click over this, and click over the next. As you can see, it's installing the extensions. Now let's just click over this open folder and let's make a folder somewhere. And yes, I trust, and click over this yes, I trust the author. Here is the interface, and in the right side you can see the AI agent. And now we are going to implement our idea. I already write down the website that I want. Here you can see it will be a portfolio website for our games, and it will have 5 pages. Actually, I just write this, and you can write down your idea of how your website is going to look, and then you will need to copy this and you will need to paste it in ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will optimize this prompt for Google Antigravity. As I said it, I need a prompt from you to create this website using Google's Antigravity. The prompt must be 100% optimized for Google's Antigravity IDE, and this is one of the most important thing. And here you can see also, this must be a professional website with top quality professional design. There should be an option to switch between light and dark theme. So let's just copy it and let's go to ChatGPT, and I will select thinking because I need better response, and I'm going to paste it in here. And now let's wait for a bit while ChatGPT is working on it. And now as you can see, ChatGPT gave me a detailed prompt. So what I'm doing is I'm using ChatGPT to make my idea more professional, and this will work perfectly in Google's Antigravity because it's optimized for Google Antigravity. If you want, you always can read the full prompt that ChatGPT gives you and you can make changes, but for now I just want simple solution. I'm just going to copy it and I'll paste it in Google Antigravity. So here I'm going to select planning or first, anything you can select. Basically this is for the planning part, and this is the agent will execute everything directly. And I'll select planning and I'll select Gemini 3 Pro High, and let's just paste the prompt here, and I'm going to send it. Now as you can see, our agent is working. Here you can see there is a browser option. We can open it. We will need to install the extension of Google Antigravity. Let's set the extension. No need to sign in for now. The extension has been added. Now Google Antigravity planned things and it's just saying me to accept it or reject it. So I just like the plan and that's why I'm going to accept it. As you can see, the full plan is in here and I like it. If you think there is something missing in your plan, then you can just click over this command option and you can leave the command here and the agent will fix it. I'm going to click over this accept, and as you can see, the agent is working again. Again, it's asking confirmation, so I'll click over accept again. If you want to keep things simple, then just click over this accept button whenever it comes. Well, it's already 10 minutes and it's working. As you can see, it's implementing things one by one and it's already implemented many things here, as you can see. So let's wait for it because I give it hard task. I don't give it to make a normal website. It's a complete website. I'll use this website as well. So I think the time it's taking is fair enough. Well, after a few minutes, it's just to give me this message that the manual setup due to timeout and sending termination request, and it's just stuck in here for so long time. So if you just face this, you need to just click over the cancel and then we'll need to say it, hey, do the remaining tasks again and do them fast. And this time with the planning, I just click over this first and let's see what happened. As you can see, it's working right now and it's creating all the necessary codes. Well, the Antigravity is asking for the access of my browser, basically this browser, and I need to click over this setup. As you can see, the website has been developed and Google Antigravity is checking the website and making changes. As you can see, the blue lines out there, if disappear, then you will understand that Antigravity is looking this website and doing fix itself. As you can see, it's creating everything by its own. There is a button up here, it's called the edit site. If I just click over that, then I'll be able to edit every text. And as you can see, it's going to each pages and doing the changes, and I think it's awesome. The agent doing all the works by itself. So now as you can see, the site has been ready and Google Antigravity just give me this localhost address, and if I open it, as you can see, the website is ready and I think it's looking really good. And let's see if our edit button is working or not. Well, it's asking for a code. Here's the edit mode and I think we can edit anything. Let's edit here. Well, in edit mode, the hyperlink is working. I'll need to fix it, but before that, let's just try with some normal text and let's write your dream game. Another thing I just noticed that when we edit, we can see what we are writing, and if we mark that, then we can see it. I'll fix that, but before that, let's just see our website is working or not. So let's click over the save changes, okay, and stop editing. So here you can see that the text has been added, your dream game. So let's see our pages. Yeah, it's working, and as you can see, here is a get the game button, and if we click over this, it's just redirecting us to a random game from Steam, but we can change it to our game as well. Let's see the development page. So here you can see game development starting at $5,000. Request code, and just after clicking that, we find a form to fill, and here is the security check as well. And as you can see, this will just take the name of game development as I clicked in the game development button from here. And let's see if it worked for character design as well. Now it's not changing directly, but we can change it from here, and that's awesome. It's actually clickable, and I think Antigravity just did a great work. Let's see the other two pages. The contact page is awesome, and here is the security question as well. Here it just added some random informations and we can change that. As you can see, we can change it to something like hello or something. And as you can see, this is really working great. And here is the theme. We have the dark theme and the light theme as well. In the theme, we can't see anything here, but it can be changed. And let's see the about page. And I think this website is great. Just following the prompt, the website is great. And now let's say Antigravity, the edits that we need. First of all, the lines below here is not visible that much. And then while in edit mode, hyperlinks are working. That's why I'm not be able to change any text of hyperlinks. And the third one is the update is not saved in the localhost. Well, I mistakenly clicked over this reset button in the contact page, and that's why this text was reset, but now it's working properly. Let's just edit a bit. So I'll take a screenshot and I'll say,
Hey, the below text of your dream game, which is written in black color, are not clearly visible. Can you add white color to that text too with a bit black gradient?
okay, I think it's done. Let's just take it. Yeah, as you can see, the color has been changed to white, and this is awesome. And now I will say it the next problem, that is,
Great, now I faced another problem. That's when I try to edit any text that includes hyperlink during edit mode, it takes me in the other page directly, so I can't edit that text. Can you fix it so that while in edit mode, no hyperlink will work? Thanks.
okay, so as you can see, it's done. The Antigravity is saying that I have updated the verification report with new screenshots confirming the changes. So now let's just check it. And if I click here right now, well, now we can change it. Yeah, that's great. And let's save it. And if I come out of editing mode, then I can see it's applied and it's working while I'm not in edit mode. And that is awesome. I think this website is great, and now I can tell that Google Antigravity is awesome and it's working really fine. And let's try to fill the contact form and let's see what happened. And it's 5%, and as you can see, the message was sent. So everything now is working really good. And I just want a final thing, that is, while I'm in the dark mode, the text are not that visible. So I'll just tell Antigravity to make sure that while we are in dark mode, the texts are visible.
Well, everything is good, but while checking in dark mode, I find that texts are not visible. Can you check and fix it for dark mode so that while in dark mode, always texts are visible?
And I'll send it. Well, as you can see, that Antigravity is saying that I fixed the dark mode visibility issue. Let's go to dark mode, and as you can see, this is now perfect. So I just requested 3 edits and Antigravity just did it really good. And I think this tool is awesome, and you can design your website and even you can make desktop mobile app using this tool. And in the next videos I'll show that too, and I will may deploy this website to online in my real hosting. When I do that, I will obviously make a video, and if you think that video will be helpful for you, you can check that out too. I will add that in the end screen and description. If you want to see videos about how to deploy this website in real hosting and how to publish this website, and then also how to create a desktop app or mobile app using this tool, then make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.